What's up? Okay, so in this video, I'm about to tell you how you can attract more positive friends into your life. Not just any different type of friends, like only positive friends, okay? And I'm also gonna tell you how to meet new people. Once upon a time, I remember, man, I had zero friends. I used to lay down in my bed night after night. I just wanted a friend. I wanted the people to be around me who was just like me. And I just didn't know how to do it. I didn't know how to go out in the world and just run into people and meet them and get their numbers and stuff like that. I was a cornball. I was a lame. And it's just like yesterday, I remember that I was like just desperate to have more friends, okay? And so in this video, I'm gonna tell you what I did and what you can do to attract more positive friends into your life and how you can meet new people real easy, okay? So one thing that I used to do all the time that you should not do if you're doing it right now is I can remember when I used to be so scared to express myself, all right? I was so shy about my own personality that I was scared to let people know how I really truly acted. I was scared to let people know how I really thought about life and stuff like that. So one of the things that you got to do is you got to break the ice with your shyness. And I know it's not going to be easy, but continue to listen because I'm going to help you ease up that shyness so that you can be more lucid, you can be more open, so that you can be able to attract more friends into your life. But anyway, so it got to a point that, I wanted to make new friends so bad that it's like I got into a climax and it just exploded like a volcano, and I just like came out and I just started doing things the best way I knew how. Now, when I used to get in conversations with people, I was still kind of timid. When you like just starting to learn how to meet new people and attract more positive people into your life, when you get in groups and you get in social settings and stuff, it's normal. It's like really normal to still feel nervous, to feel a little tense. You might not even talk as much as you truly want to. And listen, it's going to be many times when you leave parties or social groups and settings and stuff like that, meetups. It's going to be many times when you leave them places and you be like, man, I should have did this. I should have said that. I should have did more. Okay. But you're going to get used to it as time goes on. And that's what I did, because I remember many times I was scared to hang around certain people. I was even scared to express myself around my own family. Now that's bad. That's really bad. I used to like when we would have cookouts and, when my family would come together and stuff, I can remember me just sitting in the living room with all my family just shy, just scared of my own family. And I would like go outside, like I would hurry up and go outside and just try to walk away from the whole family and just try to get peace of mind because I was just so shy and I was scared to express myself. Okay, so this is one of the key things that you got to do if you want to attract more positive friends into your life, okay? You got to break the ice of being shy, and you got to get into a habit of expressing yourself more and more and more, okay? Take baby steps. Take baby steps. Just listen to my advice, all right? The next opportunity that you get to really express your truest thoughts, do the best you can to express how you really feel about life, okay? Be open with people, okay? Because the truth of the matter is, the reason why you feel the way that you feel is because you have a lot of potential in you, okay? You probably don't know it yet, but you feel like if you release who you truly are, you're going to become so attractive that people are going to get so attached to you. That's really how you feel deep down on the inside. Trust and believe. But anyway, let's continue on. I'm going to tell you some more stuff. So another thing that you're going to be able to do once you get in the habit of expressing yourself is you got to just get in the mindset of letting go. And I know it's so hard to like just let go and be free. Like some people, I used to just see some people, man, out when I used to go to the club, and I used to be like, man, how they just get out in the middle of the club and just dance like that? You know what I mean? Like, how can so many people just be so free? I mean, listen, I'm not racist or anything, but I'm a black guy, brown guy, obviously. Okay, but I remember I used to think thoughts like, man, why come Caucasian people just know how to just let go, man? They just look like they just so happy, man. I want to be like that. You know what I mean? Not like that, but I want to be able to express myself more, man. You know what I mean? Black tough guy, man. I want to be able to be positive too. But these were some of the thoughts, the negative thoughts that I was thinking in my head that was actually, keeping me, bottled down from being able to let go. Now, here's the thing about letting go once you start to let go. What I mean when I let go is this, okay? Listen, be able to sing. If you at a karaoke bar and they singing and you know you sing, that's the time to let go right there, okay? Now, here's the thing about letting go. If you are uncomfortable with just letting go and just being free with yourself, all right? Just make sure that when you let go, it's positive, okay? One of the things that I did wrong when I was trying to attract more positive people into my life and make more friends, I was letting go in a negative way, okay? I was hanging around some bad influences, and I thought that, me letting go to smoke some bud, I thought that was gonna make me more cooler, you know what I mean? And these negative things that I was letting go to do, it was only making me feel bad, and it was putting me back in my shell to where I didn't want to come out again because I was feeling bad about the things that I was letting myself go to do, okay? So one of the things that you must do and keep in mind when you let go is you have to make sure that you are letting go in a positive way, okay? If you want to laugh and somebody that cracked a funny joke, laugh. That's a positive thing, okay? If you want to let go and just go out to the mall, put on a new outfit and just go to the mall by yourself, that is a positive thing, okay? You put on something new, it was nice, you liked it, all right? And you just let go and you just stepped out and you did something totally new than what you're normally doing, okay? The more you are able to let go and to let go in a positive way, the more you're going to come out of your shell, and you're going to come out of that shyness. And this is what's going to open up the door for you to have access to attract more positive people in your life, okay? Because you're becoming positive to everything around you, and you're opening yourself up a little bit more than what you used to do, okay? Now, another thing that you can do that I did, this really helped me out a lot. Another thing that you can do in order to attract more positive friends and meet new people is, as soon as you wake up in the morning, that's the best time to program your mind, because as soon as you wake up in the morning, your mind is like, hey, what are we going to do today? Okay, your thoughts get to thinking and start to tell you what you did yesterday. Do you want to do what we did last week, or you want to do what you did yesterday? But you have to be the person that says like things like this. You got to say, I'm going to meet cool people today. Okay, that's something that I did. I used to say, I'm going to meet a lot of friends today. I'm going to make friends today. I am going to make friends today. I am going to meet new people today, okay? If you really want to attract more positive people, you might say, I am going to attract positive people into my life today, okay? And what that does is you're reaffirming it with yourself, okay? You're making it certain that the universe is going to help you attract more positive people into your life and meet new people, okay? So as soon as you talk to yourself in the morning, as soon as you wake up, those first words that you say to yourself is usually how your day ends, okay? How your day starts is usually how your day ends. So if this is something that you really want to do, which is meet new people and attract a lot of positive people, make sure that when you wake up in the morning, you're saying affirmations like, I am going to meet new people today. I'm going to meet positive people today. I'm going to meet cool people today, okay? This is very important, okay? These are called affirmations. Make sure you do that tomorrow morning when you wake up. Now, when you get really good, now, after you done all these things that I'm telling you to do, if you run this video back over, you might have to take notes down or whatever the case may be. Once you get good at like these things that I've already told you to do, you'll get even more comfortable with the people that the universe brings around you into your life. And it is a very fun experience, because once you really get good at like expressing yourself, and once you get good at like letting go in a positive way, and waking up in the morning and saying affirmations, you will notice like how people will start to get close to you. They'll like close in on you like a stampede or something. Like people will try to want to talk to you in the most weirdest way. And listen, you're going to still feel a little iffy, like whether or not you should even associate with that person or not. Because even though I was doing these things already, I still felt like I was scared to open up and express myself. But here's one of the key things that I used to do a lot, that got me to where I'm at today, that I used to do a lot, and it had a big impact on helping me attract more positive people into my life. I got into a habit of complimenting people. That was my way of like getting in with people. And listen, one thing that I noticed is that people love compliments. That's how you start conversations with people, okay? Because here's the truth of the matter. This is what I found out. Most people were just like me. Most people were scared to like go out and meet friends, and because I remember a lot of people that I made compliments to, they'd be like, oh, hey, how you doing? You know what I mean? You make a compliment to somebody, hey, you got some nice shoes, but thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm like, why they so scared? Because I said, you got some nice shoes. You know what I mean? But that's just how most people are. So believe it or not, but it's actually a lot of people out there that are afraid to meet more positive people and that are afraid to meet more friends just like you, okay? But the better you get at it, the more you're gonna see that compliments actually starts conversations. Now, this is when you begin to start becoming expert at meeting positive friends and meeting new people. When you can give somebody a compliment like every single day, after you done said your affirmations, you done woke up, you about to go out, go to work, whatever you about to do, every day you're gonna cross people because we live in a relational world. Now, here's the thing. When you walk past people, okay, this is how you practice with the compliments, okay? Not the conversations yet. I'll talk about that next. But what you do in order to practice with compliments, okay, everybody that walk by you, that's the time when people look at each other. Right in that split second, they walk by you, they look up, they like, hey, how you doing? You walk by, you can say something like, hey, how you doing? Yeah, nice hat. And they're usually gonna help you become more confident, because most people's tendencies are to say something about you. Hey, nice shirt, Tren. Osaka. Yeah, Japan, man. Japan. So get in a habit of complimenting people with their clothes or their hairstyle. One of the compliments that I like to give people is, oh, you got pretty teeth. You know what I mean? If they got them, you know what I mean? It's all good. But that's what I use. That's one of the ones that I use. I got a habit of looking at people's teeth right when they talk. I don't know why. I'm just a weird guy like that. That's why I got on this white shirt right now. Okay? You don't like me, you don't got to get this video a thumbs up. But if it's resonating with you so far, make sure you get this video a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to my channel at the very end of this video. But seriously though, that's how you started out. Once you get good and like just opening up and letting go, you start making compliments with people, okay? And usually what people have a tendency to do is they have a tendency to give you a compliment back. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna make you have more motivation about yourself, because usually at the very beginning, like I was when I used to be laying in my bed wondering how can I get out here and meet new friends, I didn't have any motivation. I didn't have anybody there to say, Tren, you dress nice, you look good, you smell good, you got a nice haircut. I didn't really have a lot of people there to say that, except for my mama or my daddy, you know what I mean? But I didn't have any friends to be able to motivate me like that. So if you want to be motivated, if you want friends to tell you how good you look and how sexy you are, females, make sure that you give that other female a compliment. Oh, you got some nice hair. I mean, it really is nice. I mean, I was thinking about getting that color the other day. Chances are she gonna tell you something nice about yourself, okay? So the more loose. Now here's the catch. Here's the catch to it all. And this is how you begin to attract more positive friends into your life. And you begin to attract people that are just like you. Those people who you always wanted. They will begin to come into your life once you've did all these things. They are called your tribe. Okay, your tribe is who you're trying to track at the end of the day. These are people that you don't even have to tell them what you're thinking. They just know. They're your natural soul family. Okay, now once you get good at loosening up and just doing all these things that I've told you to do, the universe does like this mysterious supernatural thing where it's like only people that come around you are only people that like the same foods you like. They got the same type of boyfriend you have. You know what I mean? Like, it's the type of girls that you want to be with. It's type of people that they in your same type of religion. They have the same amount of money that you have. They've been through the same life experiences that you've been through. When you loosen up good enough and you've done all these things that I've just explained in this video, that's when you begin to attract your tribe, okay? And it'll be easy for you to be able to connect with your tribe, because usually your tribe will be people that come and make conversation and connect with you, okay? And then at the end of the day, You'll have so much friends in your phone that you won't even be storing names with them. You'll be like I be. You know, when they call your phone, you'll be like, oh, what does she want now? Oh, what does he want, man? He keep calling. He done called me 5 times a day, man. Dang, man. And then the next thing you know, you'll be like, yo, I remember I watched that video that TreniuS was teaching me how to attract more positive people into my life. And I had 0 friends. Now I got like 100. So listen, folks, this is how you attract more positive friends into your life. Okay, this is how you meet new people and attract your tribe. Trust and believe what I've just explained to you in this video is what I did, and it works 100% guaranteed. Remember, look, I had 0 friends. All right, now I got more than 6. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'm your life coach. I'm TreniuS. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, make sure that you subscribe by hitting that face icon of me right there. Hit that face icon, but also make sure you hit the bell beside the subscribe button so you can be notified first every time I upload wonderful videos like this one every single day, okay? Or these 2 right here. Check out one of my other videos before you leave. I know you're going to love it just as much as you love this one. So go get these friends. Make me your friend. Peace.